Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to send Bitcoin using the Lightning Network from your Coinbase account. And in this example, I'm going to be sending that Bitcoin over to my Bitcoin wallet on ZBD. If you're interested in getting a ZBD Bitcoin account for yourself, I'll post a link to their app down in the description. It's a nice resource for Bitcoin Lightning Network transactions. So what we're going to do first is open up our Coinbase application, and in our account, what we want to do is transfer our Bitcoin. So we're going to click the transfer option right here. You can also open up your portfolio, clicking that little pie chart down here, and then selecting your Bitcoin wallet, and then clicking transfer here. So what I'm going to be doing is sending Bitcoin using the Lightning Network. So clicking the send option. And then from here, what I need to do is paste in my Lightning Network invoice. Also, you can scan a QR code of a Lightning Network invoice if you want to do that. But to do this, I'm going to generate that Lightning Network invoice over in my ZBD wallet because this is where I'm going to be receiving that Bitcoin over the Lightning Network. So opening up my Bitcoin wallet on ZBD, and what I want to do is click the receive option. And for this example, let's say I want to do a really small amount. That's the nice thing about the Lightning Network is you can send really small amounts very quickly with very little in the way of fees. So let's say I want to do 10 cents US dollars. And then go next, and let's just say anyone can pay this, and then I'm going to create this invoice. And like I said before, from Coinbase, you can either scan a QR code for the Lightning Network invoice, or you can copy that invoice down. I'm going to do the copy option here, so the invoice has been copied to our clipboard. I'm going to head back over to Coinbase. From here, again, either you can scan the QR code with this option, or you can paste in what you had copied down. So I'm going to paste in this Lightning Network invoice. We can see the amount for this Lightning invoice. I'm going to click on it. Here's our invoice. We can double check everything. It's going over the Lightning Network. It's from ZBD, which is accurate. The send time is going to be very quick, less than a minute. No network fee associated with this, so 10 cents US dollars in Bitcoin. I'm going to send now. It's successfully sent. We get a check mark. You can view the details, or we can click done here at the bottom. And again, if we open up our Bitcoin asset page, if we scroll down, we can see our transactions, and that small amount of Bitcoin was sent right here. So now I'm going to head back over to my ZBD wallet. And right away, I can see the payment has been received, so I can close that. And if I click on my Bitcoin wallet right here, it'll open up our transactions, and I can see that payment was received right here from Coinbase. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, going over how you can send Bitcoin using the Lightning Network from your Coinbase account. In this example, I did it over to my ZBD wallet, and wherever you're sending that Bitcoin to needs to be compatible with the Lightning Network, which is why I used my ZBD wallet, which is a nice resource for using Lightning Network transactions. Again, if you'd like to get a ZBD wallet for yourself, I'll post a link to their app down in the description. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing for more, and I'll see you back here next time.